Want to buy a pellet machine but don't know how to choose? Come and have a look at our equipment of Shandong Yulong. This video was shot by us in the customer's factory. The whole production line is Yulong's equipment. The client's raw materials are old building templates. First, use Yulong crushing and crushing machine to crush raw materials. Crushing and crushing integrated machine set crushing and crushing in one, as long as the process can be pulverized to the suitable degree of granulation, saving cost. At the same time, the equipment designed two metal removal process can remove more than 95% of the metal in the raw material. The second step, after crushing the material through shakelon, effectively reduce the dust in the workshop. The third step, with the pellet machine to prepare the material into particles. What are the advantages of Yulong particle machine? Here is a brief introduction to our core components. The mold is made of stainless steel with high wear resistance and vacuum quenching. Ultra-high-speed gun drill holes of high finish. The mold is wearable and easy to use. Super wear-resistant alloy technology is applied on the surface of the press wheel, and its service life is equal to that of the die. The main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced.
Reducer comes with lubrication cooling system, real-time monitoring of oil pressure, wordless all-weather long-term operation, multi-stage helical gear with hard-tooth surface designed 5 times out of working condition runs stably and calmly. The company introduced SNK 5-axis gantry processing equipment from Japan, the accuracy of micron level.
Shandong Yulong Machinery is committed to becoming a leader in the energy industry, creating maximum value for customers. Tel 861 861 569 2322.